Hi, so in this video, we're going to be talking about what happens if a user happens to drop off during an onboarding sequence. So we have a 4-step onboarding sequence here, and what happens if the user happens to drop off on step 3. So ideally, what we'd like is that we'd like the user to log in to the app and then continue from where they left off during onboarding, not just accidentally go into the dashboard or wherever they wanted to go. So the way we're going to do this, if I've made another video on URL based navigation. I'll link it in the description below. We are using URL based navigation for this. So if you look at the URL at the top, it's nav equals step 3. If I go nav equals step 1, I'm in the first level in onboarding, first step in onboarding. So we're going to use the same option set to make the journey continue. So what we're going to do basically in our user thing, we're going to save the onboarding status. And in the onboarding status, it's an option set OS nav onboarding. So what we're going to do at every step of the way, we're going to just save the status, the onboarding status. So we'll know exactly where a user is. So we're going to make changes to current user, and we'll just change the onboarding status equals step 1. Or if we want to offset it, call it step 2 because they've done step 1 now. Okay. So the next time they click continue to, so they've already done onboarding 1 and they've done onboarding 2. So we're going to just make changes to current user and save them that, okay, they're supposed to be onboarding step 3. And when they same sequence for the next one and same sequence for the last one. All we usually need, okay, one second, step 4. At the very last step, we usually need another hidden option set kind of parameter, done. So just onboarding is done. So now, depending on the value of onboarding, we're going to be redirecting the login to the right place. So on the last step, it's just going to say, oh, no, onboarding done. Okay, so just to revise, if I'm on step 1 and I click continue, I'm going to save step 2 in my onboarding status field. I'm going to save step 3, 4, and if I go to dashboard, onboarding status is supposed to be done. Okay, and now what I do in the login page, that instead of well, just go to onboarding, I go to the right place. Okay, so in custom go to onboarding, I'm gonna go to send more parameters to the page, add nav, and get an option, and I'm going to, okay, oh, I wasn't supposed to go from here. I go from current user onboarding status. Yeah, that's what I was about to kind of slight glitch there. So yeah, so when I click the login button, uh, I will go to the onboarding page and I will go to the right place. Okay, only when uh, current user onboarding status is not done. And in the case of if the onboarding status is done, I don't need to go to onboarding. I'll just go to the dashboard. Okay, uh, current user onboarding status is done. So when I click login, I can either go to the onboarding page and go to exactly the right place in my onboarding sequence, or I can go straight to the dashboard. All right. Thank you very much. I hope this is useful, and let me know in the comments below if you'd like some more videos. Thanks. Bye.